Hey you guys, I hope you're doing great and thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel, Shine with Pranoti. So guys, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Pranoti. I post videos related to skincare, haircare and makeup. So if you're interested in such kind of topics, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So as you know guys, Diwali is just around the corner and we have already started gearing up for this festival, and I'm sure you all are excited for this year's Diwali because this is going to be kind of normal Diwali the way we always celebrate, because last year's Diwali was pretty different. I don't think we celebrated much, but this time it's going to be super fun. But yes, of course, please follow the safety measures whenever you go out to meet your friends, everything, but please follow the safety measures. So yeah, now in this video we are going to create a makeup look that will be very easy to do. It will not take much time, but you're going to look super glowy and definitely you're going to catch eye of everyone. So now let's not waste time and get straight into the video. Starting the makeup, is always important to do your skincare first, and I have already washed my face and I have nothing on my skin right now. So let me start with moisturizing, and for that I'm going to use this Venusia moisturizer, which is my absolutely favorite and almost you have seen me in every video. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just massage it for 2 minutes. And after moisturizing my whole face, I'm not going to forget my lips. I'm going to take a lip balm and also moisturize my lips. And once you're done with your skincare, now let's move with the makeup. But before that, again, I'm going to use a primer because primer is a must when you do your makeup. So for that, I'm going to use this Inside primer. This is a 3-in-1 primer. Primes, protects and moisturizes, long lasting, and it is also oil free. So let me take a little bit. And now let's move on with the foundation, and for that I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm going to take 2 pumps of this. And now, since we want to make our makeup very glowy, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this illuminator into this foundation, mix it and then apply on my face. Now what is this going to do is, it's going to add a lot of glow to your face and your base is going to look bomb. Trust me. Now what I'm going to do, now let me just mix this both and apply it on my face in dots. I'm going to take a beauty blender which is moist, and I'm just going to take all the remaining foundation on this blender and blend it evenly. Now moving on with the concealer, I'm again going to use this Maybelline's concealer. This is Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Again, one of my favorite products from Maybelline. And I'm just going to use it for my dark circles, which is not much, but then still I just like to brighten up my under eye area. Also on the bridge of my nose and over here, because there's a little bit of discoloration over here. Again, I'm going to use the same beauty blender and blend it all. And now to set my base, I'm going to use the loose powder which is by Swiss Beauty. And I'm just quickly going to set my base, because if you take long time to set your base, your makeup may look cakey, which I don't want. So let's be very fast to set the base. So now let's move on with the eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette, and here I get 3 shades plus 1 brow wax, and from that I'm going to use grey shade which is quite similar to my brow. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip the brush first in the wax, eyebrow wax, and then put it in the shade that I want to apply on my brows, and then I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas to make it look more natural. The pigmentation is really good. I also have a detailed video on this product. If you want to see that, then definitely check out that video. You'll get it somewhere in the I tab. So do have a look. So now let's move on with the eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use this Colorful palette by Beauty Glaze. And you know guys, what happens in Diwali is we always want to get ready very quickly. We don't want to put too much of time in makeup, but at the same time we really want to look good. So I'm going to show you how you can do your eyeshadow with just 2 things, and then it will look as if you have took a lot of time to do makeup, but this won't take much time. So let me just show you how to do that. Okay, since the color of my saree is green, I'm going for this color which is green, and I'm going to make a base on my eyes with this green color. Dust off the excess. Let's just start building up the color. That I'm going to use for my eyes is this Swiss Beauty's metallic eyeshadow, and the consistency of this eyeshadow is very kind of liquidy, and that's why it's really easy to apply. It gets blended very easily. You don't need to put on too much of efforts to blend it. It's really good, and plus you can use this on any color. Okay, if you're using pink saree, make a base of pink color, and then over that you can go with this metallic eyeshadow. It looks completely awesome. So for this, since the base is green, I have done my eyeshadow in green shade, and now I'm going to use this on top of it, and you can see how it looks. I'm just going to start from center. Can you see that? So beautiful. And now with the same brush that I use for my eyeshadow, I'm going to blend the color and the metallic eyeshadow together so that it looks really blended and nice. Move on with the liner, and I'm just going to keep the liner very simple, not fancy. So for that I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty's pen eyeliner. This is HD stroke pen eyeliner, and why I use pen eyeliner more because they are very easy to apply, and you, even if you have problem like if your hands shake while you're applying eyeliner, then pen eyeliners are the best option, and I always use this. I am actually used to it, so I'm going to use this and just draw a small line as a liner. Time to curl my eyelashes. And for my mascara, I'm going to use this Max Volume Mascara by Wet n Wild. This is a lengthening mascara. Lash line, I'm going to use this green kajal by Sugar. And now from this same Beauty Glaze Color Board palette, I'm going to use this kind of a shimmer shade to highlight the inner corners. Now let's move on with the contouring, and for that I'm going to use this LA Color contour and highlighter palette, and I'm going to contour my cheeks and my nose. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Stay Quirky's blush, and this is like really beautiful pink shade. Smile when you blush. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use this Instant Glow highlighter, and I'm going to use this golden shade, light golden shade. This is kind of a champagne shade, and I'm going to take it on my beauty blender like this and highlight the high points of my face. This is such a good highlighter, I tell you, seriously. I'm going to use this makeup fixer by Swiss Beauty. And finally for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Red. The shade number is 634. This is a really beautiful red shade.